Hello everybody, today we're making salmon fillets. For this recipe you will need a couple portions of salmon fillets. I bought these at Sam's and they're already prepackaged. Once you take them out of the wrapper, then you would just season them. In this case I'm using the lemon garlic seasoning that I purchased at Sam's. Also, you could use any seasoning you want or just salt and pepper. It's your choice. Once your pan is heated, you put some oil on, and then all you do is just drop the fillet in there. You can do 2 at a time. Just let it sizzle for a few minutes. I turned them over after 3 minutes, and this is what it looks like up to now. So basically you give it 3 minutes on each side, and then you would put the cover on so that it cooks evenly. I like mine really crispy, so once I put the cover on, I left it on for another 3 minutes so it could be real crispy like this. This is what the other side looks like. Once it's all ready, you can garnish it with whatever vegetables you have at home. In this case, I love tomatoes and cucumber, and that's what I did. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy!